Yo guys, it's Sarah here and we're gonna be unboxing this iPhone 12 mini, a product red, of course. Red over here. We're giving money to charity, we're giving money to a global fund, like same price, same everything, same price, just you're giving money to charity at the same time. Like, this is for a good cause. I even got my red, the Beats over here, another product red right in the house. We are proper getting rid of a HIV/AIDS situation, making the money move, giving money to charity while we're buying this phone. So yeah, iPhone red, let's go. I just got this phone because my iPhone XS literally is broke. It's completely dead, nothing's just dead. Dead. Well, I have a story about this phone. This phone is so bad I got to replace like twice. Like, no. But anyways, let's get into this phone. So excited. I'm literally I used to have an iPhone 4 when I was like so young, and there's just so many memories, like we're reminiscing of the past, and it's so cute. Look at this small box, proper small compared to the other one. We ain't got no charging brick, we ain't got no headphones, but we make it move. Ooh, oh my god, this is actually unbelievable. I didn't know it's gonna look this pink, like it's real pink. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Even got the product red. We are showing off to the world. We got product red, bro. Oh my god, I almost slipped. Woo! Oh my god, I just dropped some stuff. But anyway, oh my god, look at this aluminum. We got aluminum all around, and it's all the sleek edge. Like, what? Real fire phone. Ooh, it's proper small. It actually fits in my hand like perfect. We ain't got no hand strain. Like, look at the difference. iPhone XS versus this iPhone 12 mini. This is fire. I got this iPhone XS Max too. Like, look at this. Oh my god, proper big difference. Let's take off this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Well, let's just check what else is in the box. We paid $6.99 for this. Let's see what else is included in this small box. So we got our iPhone cable, not USB-A, it's the freaking Thunderbolt. Very interesting. Something new. At least I'm not gonna buy the iPhone charging brick because like he's gonna spend like £20 on an iPhone charging brick when we got the old one. Well, like if you want to charge your phone of your computer, because the new Macs have this Thunderbolt, like we so lit. I got so many USB-As, like we chilling. Like I even got a black one. Like this is from a Beats. This is a real cool one I got with my Beats speaker. It's so nice, long, and then this is lit as well. Like we just chilling with our USB-A, no worries. And let's just check the manual because like why not? Ooh, product rare, we chilling. Yeah, HIV/AIDS program. We're gonna deliver AIDS-free generation. Yes, we got a SIM opener thing and one iPhone sticker. So nice. I love this whole iPhone so much. Let's just turn it on now. Ooh, yep. Oh gosh, hello. Let's swipe up. English. And we're in the UK. So I don't know anything about the 5G. I don't think even work with my carrier, but I just needed a new phone. Why get another iPhone XS or something like that? It's even discontinued. So we just need to get this cute phone. Like, I really love it. It reminds me of my iPhone 4. Wait, I'll get my iPhone 4. Wait one sec. Hey guys, look at this. This is unbelievable. This is the OG iPhone 4. Oh my god. This is proper cute. Like, aww. How cute. So I'm just gonna do my Face ID now. Ooh, okay. Yeah, you gotta position yourself. Okay. I'm just gonna get on with this. When it's set up, I'll talk to you. Ooh, we just got this set up. It's so nice. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. The new OLED display is so beautiful. I just love the feel of this in my hand too. Like, it's just so comfy. It's so small. Like, it's literally perfect for me. I don't even feel like it's real small. The display is so nice, like, oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna get back when I fix this home screen because it's looking pretty ugly right now, like you. No thanks. Be right back. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This phone is so nice. It's my favorite phone ever. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.